I have decided tree pythons are allergic to water.
But I mean, woo!
Yup, I'm going to build a rain box. Enough of this haha.
Ow! Son of a monkey. That hurt. Why? What is up with you guys and bath time? Man, I swear.
These farm-bred guys are pretty feisty.
Every time.